Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. So I have a lot of clients that are buying older homes wondering if they need to check the main sewer line. Do they need to put a camera down there? The answer is sometimes. If you're buying a newer house, probably not. But some of the things I would look for, one of the main things, is you look where the sewer line is and look to see if there's large trees. If you see large trees nearby, yes. If you see any concrete buckling up from roots, definitely yes. If the home is built prior to 1970, yes. It's about $300, $250 to $350, depending on where they can access that pipe and stick a camera, and they'll run the camera all the way to where the county picks up or the city picks up that line. And a lot of times it's money well spent. You can know if you have a lot of root intrusion or if the line's in pretty good shape. Most times they are, but it's really good to know because it could be a big surprise bill. I hope this helps. I can speak from experience here. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call.